Umubingo, see them, see cry. Umubingo, cry very well. Cry like today. You have my permission to cry in the comment section. Weep, wail, like Bernice. One day, like your man didn't go. I am here. When I begin to video, yeah, my people, greetings. We are here live at the Federal High Court, Abuja, for the Nnamdi Kanu's trial, which has been adjourned. Once again, it's from his side that the adjournment came from. I don't know why he didn't start his defense today when he truly knows he's innocent as they are claiming. If they know he's innocent and they are sure and guaranteed of his innocence, why are they getting an adjournment? Once again, no, now them cause the adjournment. It is not the government. The government is ready. The government has closed its prosecution. So why have they not started his defense? They should start it immediately now. What are they saying? One, come and help me hold this. Listen, you don't like, bro. You don't like. So what we are asking is, why is he in a this banner? Why is he trying to stall his defense? If you know you are not guilty, why are you stalling your defense? No, you should begin defense today. Now you are asking for adjournment again. Once again, they are asking for adjournment. Tomorrow they will say the government is the one that refused to try him. The government is not refusing to try anybody. Are you understanding me now? The government did not refuse to try anybody. Today he has fired his lawyer, or let's say his lawyer has withdrawn. And it's because of the withdrawal that his defense cannot go on. So hopefully they give him a short adjournment. Hopefully the adjournment will be short. After that, we will know what comes next. Then if they find him not guilty, he should go home. But I have a feeling he knows he is as guilty as charged. He himself knows there is nobody, even all of his supporters know he is guilty. That's why they don't want to go to trial. 2017 is the same thing. If he was outside, he would have caused another crisis that will make him to run again. And he will tell you they came after him. Look at the witnesses he's calling. I was expecting you to call President Muhammad Buhari, who said he was going to bring. My name never did there. Please, I'm begging the government. I am willing to be a witness. We are willing. So many Igbos are willing. If you need 1,000 witnesses, we will bring them. Whenever the time comes, call on us. We will answer. We will bring them. Nobody will stop us from coming to testify, from coming to witness on what he has done in our life. Okay? So you know that are inside there crying. You people can cry on the internet from now till next year. When they hear me, on a fee cry from now till infinity. You won't stop us from speaking. You won't stop us from demanding justice, and we will make sure we deal with him. Because if we don't deal with them, another criminal will start tomorrow who has wickedly this own. Your children today, these ones, 12 years, 11 years, the next fake savior that will kill them has started warming up. Watching what will happen here. If they let this go, that one will start his own. These children of 12 years, 30 years you are seeing today, they will become victims in the next 10 years. The way Wazuke did this one, the way Ojukwu did this one. And the cowards, you notice they always want. They always look for solution, for settlement. They could have done if actually they were fighting for anything. So my people, do not despair. Do not, if you see before, they will still be here. Just how many minutes after the court proceedings, they all disappeared. We saw them here. Some of them, they go up and down. Oh, is it today? Is it not today? Is it today? Is it not today? You know, concern me. I don't want to say no, everything they want to do. So we go they tell on the truth, whether on a like that or not. Wait, make I dey see Umubingo. Umubingo, see them, see cry. See cry, I beg for this thing. Where we go even go mount this thing for themselves? Where we go mount, we go next thing my mountain of banner. No, we go mount the banner. We go mount banner for Abuja. We go certain places. Go the mount the banner. We go still go get permit for that one. Now banner revolution we dey now. More now they cry. I go leave on a comment here. They comment, they cry. No, Umubingo, cry very well. Cry like today. You have my permission to cry in the comment section. Weep, wail, like Bernice. One day, like One of you should be crying and blood will be oozing out, then I will consider pitying you people small. As for stopping, it is possible now. I will make sure with you people. You people will not know joy. So long you people say Alibo will not know joy. None of you will know joy. They comment. None of you will know joy. You people have turned southeast into southeast. We will make sure you people's lives are sad. Your man didn't go by and here. Mona begin to video. The issue on a threat. Threatening on a mama from now till tomorrow. I go see the talk with that. You know if you shut me up. Now they no born on aware. Like they no born. All these ones where they talk. Now when I they do video, they come they talk. They no say me I no go live interview where they do. Come they talk to them. Now why I don't do video fish or now why I dey live. Make any of them do something. No, make we stream the fight live now. You shout, make we stream the fight live now. On a land, on a life go remain the way on a keep southeast. If on a one rest, southeast must be at rest first. If on a one peace, southeast will be at peace first. If anything you people want, the way you want it is the way we'll give it to you people. Anything you are giving to our land is what you are giving you people. My wonderful people, thank you so much. I love you all. We are going to come again tomorrow. Tomorrow, if the court knows it, we'll go National Assembly. But as for the protest, we continue so.